I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with West Kiss Hair. This is everything that came in my packaging. I got a compact mirror, a bonnet, an edge brush, adhesive tape, a milk band, HD wig cap, a satin bag, and this is the wig that they sent me. They sent me out their 13x6 22-inch HD lace frontal wig. The texture of this unit is their deep wave texture, and this is their pre-style braided unit. So as you see, the braids that come in the unit, it comes pre-style, ready to wear. All you have to do is cut the lace, install it, and go. So I do have all of the information and specs for this company as well as this wig down in my description box for any of you all that are interested.
And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine.
But yeah, y'all, this wig was, like I said, it was pre-styled. It came pre-bleached. I do believe I did not do any lace. I did not do any knot bleaching. I did not do any hairline plucking. As you see this wig and as you continue to see the wig in the video as I'm installing it, this is how the wig came to me, y'all. So yeah, the wig does come with an elastic band, so if you want to wear it glueless with no product at all, you can. I did opt to use my bed head hard head spray just to give me a light hold in the front. But other than that, y'all, this wig was super easy to install. I really love the style. It was really cute, and I love that it was a 13x6. Love that. So it made the style look even more natural. Also, the lace on this wig, y'all, was really, really nice. When they say that it's HD lace, I do agree that it is HD lace. It's very thin. I put minimal makeup on this lace. I did not put any underneath. All I did was tap some on top where needed, but I really did not have to use any makeup on this lace if I didn't want to. So yeah, y'all, I don't really have much to say. I got minimum shedding as I was combing out the curls when I wet the hair and was like brushing out the curls. I got minimum shedding. This hair is soft. But yeah, y'all, I have worked with West Kiss before, and I can honestly tell y'all that West Kiss is one of my favorite vendors to work with, buy from. I personally have bought items from them. And West Kiss is one that I can truly vouch for and let you all know that if you want some good quality hair for an affordable price, definitely check out West Kiss Hair. Let them know Alexa sent you, but I promise you that you will not be disappointed, at least from the experiences that I've had. And I'm not BSing with y'all on this. Like, West Kiss Hair is definitely a top-notch vendor, period. I stand behind that. So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and again, I want to thank West Kiss Hair for allowing me to try out this wig, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next one.
She popped the Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send her back to metro housing. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chat. for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send her back to metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I pop out, get ghosts on the bitch. You don't know why I went. Went for my dogs.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burning. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Come here, son. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo, who my niggas don't know. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.